Welcome to my channel. I'm Jenny Francis, a close to your heart consultant. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the current kit, August 2019. So let's get started. I haven't even opened it, so we can open it live. Without my fingers. Sorry about that. Okay, so in the kit we get a little note from Jeanette, our mission, your story, display me, and spend me. In the kit also we receive our welcome to our family, congratulations on deciding to become a close to my heart consultant, and there's a little checklist on what we can do and some phone numbers at the bottom. Also in the kit is lots of goodies. We've got our adhesive runner. Just pop all the things down the front here. We've got exclusive stamps. They're only for consultants, so one of the little perks. A 2x2 acrylic block. Some non-stick microtip scissors. They're going to come really handy. New to the kit is a piercing tool, which I don't know too much about that one yet, but I'm sure I'm going to learn. Oh, there's the other stamp, so we do get 3. What else have we got here? We've got Cardstock Stamper, little key ring so we can display them. Close to my heart, exclusive ink, which is in black. Another acrylic stamp set, which is available to consultants only. Pop it in there. Another new thing to the kit is our stamped Shammy, which I think that's a 2-pack. I think. So just what better way to keep your stamps clean? Pop him there. I don't need that. Also is the new edition of the catalogue, which is September to October. I think there's 5 of those. No, 2 of those. 2 of those. Sorry about the wind, guys. Then they've got the Close to My Heart Core catalogue, which is from September to August next year. Didn't prep this very good, did I? Close to Your Heart business supplies, so we can get shirts, cardigans, pens, business cards, stickers, table mats. There's lots to choose from there. And that's going to blow away. Close to My Heart order forms, so we can get started straight away. There's another catalogue. Another catalogue. So there's 2 more catalogues there of the thing, and we've also got some mixing coordinated cardstock. We've got 6 sheets in total to help us get started. Where am I going to put that? And mix in just some paper, which is charcoal, French vanilla, glacier, julep, saffron, sapphire, white daisy, and wisteria. I think there's another 6, so they coordinate with the cardstocks. Lots of what my kids would call them party streamers. and a desk mat, which is good for testing your stamps before you test on your print on your paper. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the newest kit 2019 August. If you'd like to know more information, please contact me. I'm Jenny Francis, or you can contact the person that sent you this link.